I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney and welcome to Anne's Digital Kitchen on the Cook for Life YouTube channel. Now, today I'm going to be talking about seafood, and I'm really excited about this because we're going to be making mussels today. Now, mussels are super easy to make, and you know, a lot of people are kind of scared about buying them in case they might be bad, but there's really a couple of real fail-safe things, which we'll talk about when I'm cooking them. Mussels are also very good for you. They have a lot of B vitamins in them, they're very high in protein, and they're very low in fat and all the things that we want to avoid. So knowing how to cook them at home is really worthwhile. And the kind of method that we're using with the mussels is actually, you can use it with clams too to make a delicious pasta. Now, the other thing we're going to be making are a really simple lemon and olive oil marinated grilled shrimp that we're going to toss with some mint pesto and some spaghetti, some whole wheat spaghetti. And this makes for a really delicious summer pasta, really tasty. And of course the shrimp are pretty good all on their own as well. Then we're going to be doing baked, well actually it's not so much baked as a roasted halibut with some veggies, and this is something that's really simple and totally delicious. And we're serving that with a gremolata, which, you know, in the summer, a little lemony, parsley, spicy sauce, so delicious. And last but not least, we're going to be doing a really delicious red snapper steamed in soy sauce and ginger. Now, you can use any fish you want for that, really. It's good with even with salmon, this way of cooking it. But it's so easy, and we really wanted to show you how easy it was. So I guess I could say this lesson is seafood made easy. Look and learn.